Amadeus is not a software. It is an application made exclusively for travel agents so that travel agents can issue tickets. All the airlines, they put their live inventory on Amadeus, and any travel agent by using Amadeus can book the air tickets. It is not a software, it is a live inventory application. Only by having Amadeus, one cannot issue air ticket. Amadeus should be connected with IATA. So there are two processes. One, you can take your own IATA number. We have guiding videos available how to take it free of cost or by paying some money. Or you can become a sub-agent of any IATA company. When both of these are connected, Amadeus and IATA number, then only a travel agent can issue air ticket. Yes, by using Amadeus, one can issue air tickets in less price also. Yes, anyone who has Amadeus can use it, but you must have it, and it is made for travel agents. And for using it, you should know how to use IATA codes and commands and Amadeus commands. Only then you would be able to reduce airfare. It is different than many online softwares or portals like Expedia and so on, because they are having only 10% of facilities in regard to issuing air tickets. But when you are on Amadeus, it has 100% facilities available in regard to issuing, changing, cancellation, voids. Everything is possible on Amadeus. Yes, it is free. Amadeus can be taken free of cost also if you are a genuine travel agent. If you are not, then you may need to pay some money. Yes, anyone can learn Amadeus very easily. It's a computer-based training. You have to decide. You want to do it online or offline in the institute. Both the type of courses are available. It is going to happen on computer. If you can get the access of Amadeus on your computer, then by doing it, practicing it, you can learn everything in 3 months what a travel agent earns by spending 5 to 6 years.